Here we go, I am at the Holiday Inn Express at Strathclyde Park and check in. Hello and happy Friday to you all. Hope you are well. Hope you are looking forward to a good weekend, if it's the weekend when you're watching this. But tonight I am at Strathclyde Park. More so I am at a Holiday Inn Express hotel. This is classed as a 3-star hotel. It is just off of the M74 Motorway, Junction 5. Just off the roundabout there, and yeah, just next to Strathclyde Park. So if you're looking for it, it's under Strathclyde Park Holiday Inn Express. I have booked a double or twin room. The only thing they had left, because it is busy, it must be fully booked to a certain degree, was a twin room. This was a last minute booking for myself, and I paid £66 for the one night. So far, first impressions, nice and clean, nice and tidy obviously, just walked in the door. So before I get settled and make a mess of everything, because everything looks great, let's go and have a look at the room and see what it has to offer. Now, as usual, have a little look at the emergency escape routes. I am in 112. Just so you know where your escape routes are in case of emergency. As you come in, standard lock, thumb turn, key card. So just pop that in, get your power on to your room as you come into the property. I think these are little hangers, well, coat hooks, not hangers but things to hang on, or just a feature, but probably end up hanging things on there. Little desk, you can put your bag on there, unpack. Some spare towels, little spare seat under there. Got a closet, got a shelf up here, hangers to hang your clothes, another shelf, a little space there, bin, full length mirror, which is great. Just behind the mirror you'll see you get an ironing board, your iron, and just tucked in there you have your hairdryer. And just below the ironing board there is a single socket as well, so nearly missed that one. TV, you've got 2 points here, electrical points, one getting used by a small kettle, to be fair, the size of my hand compared to the kettle, but it's there to use. Some milks. What else we got in here? We have probably the usual suspects. Yep, some coffees, sugars, milks, etc. So 2 little cups to go with it, nice little shelf. We'll have a look at the view in a moment. Got electric, got a panel heater over there. As I mentioned, I've got 2 single beds, like a twin room. There's nothing else available. Here we have 2 electrical sockets, plug-in electrical sockets, normal plug-ins, and USB points, 2 of them, which is great. Here you've got the light controls, got the bedside. If you want to do some reading or on your phone. Oh, a bit loose there, thought I broke it. Nice little spotlights here. Got one spotlight is broken, unfortunately, but these things happen. Got a random chair in the corner that you can sit and chill if you're fed up sitting at the bed, which is a good idea. My bag's on it just now, got my phone sitting etc on this table. You can sit on this table and do your work or just relax. Some information here regarding COVID, because I am here during COVID times. Got a menu, I'll go through that separately, so I'll scan through that separately near the end of the video. And that's really it for the bedroom side. There's nothing really else to go through apart from the view, which we'll have a look. But into the bathroom, which is modern, to be fair, it's nice. Again, obviously it's clean. Got me, I like this mirror detail here. We've got the 3 mirrors, you see 2 of me just now, 3 of me. But very nice indeed. Great space, great use of space. Towel, tissues, coat hook, hanger, towels or robes, little bin in the corner, shaving point, 115 volt and 230 volt, shelf underneath here, towel, some hand soap, into the shower. Just mind you've got the step here for the shower. So, thermostatic shower, instant hot water, a grab rail here, and body wash, I'm guessing. This is that glass, yeah, glass. So you've got, I've not seen this before, I don't think. You've got the toilet area in here, and you've got glass panel here. So if you're having a shower, just make sure that you know, whoever's going to use the toilet can see you. Don't know how much you can see though, can you see me? Yeah. I'm not going to get in the shower, don't worry. Here you've got nothing, it's an empty box, no tissues there, no tissues back there anyway. 2 toilet roll holders, and that's really it for the bathroom. So the view's not the greatest, the view is just the car park. So nothing special. This is the back car park, so as you come in on the other side to the front of the hotel, you go left all the way round to the back entrance, because it is a back entrance, but you can park here. There's plenty of parking spaces, but if you look to the right hand side, which I don't think you can really see, but if I can sneak out here, which I can't, it's got a latch on it, but you see that there? You can come in that way, turn right, and you'll see the reception on the left hand side. But not much of a view, but not a bad view. Not busy traffic, or a busy road, or a busy park. But just over there is Strathclyde Park. And that's really it. So I don't really have anything else to show apart from the menu that I mentioned previously. I'll do a separate scan over that just at the end of the video, the end of the video, so you can have a look at the prices and the food that's available close to this video, time of this video when you're watching it. Things can change of course, so just make sure that you are checking ahead if you have any special requirements. And yeah, you can check your website, so I'll put all the website information and the location in the description. If you haven't watched me before, this is your first time watching me, my name's Ian. My my real name's Ian. My channel name's Macblogs, MACBLOGS. I'll put my social media down in the description box. If you wish to subscribe to myself for future videos, I really appreciate that, of course. I appreciate all the support I get on this channel, and if you subscribe, hit the notification button. That will give you notifications for future videos. I don't just do hotel reviews or tours. My plan is to be going back to America where I can and do the parks basically. So if you've been to Orlando, Florida, that's probably well, it is my favourite place in the world to go to. If you've watched me before, you're probably sick of me saying that, but for all newcomers, new viewers, the plan is to be going over there and going to the likes of Universal Studios, which I'm booked for to go back to end October this year. So fingers crossed I get to go there. So another reason to follow me if you are subscribed to me on YouTube, if you want to see those videos. So I have a lot of things planned for there. I've got Disneyland Paris coming up. I've got Disney World coming up as well next year, April next year. So I've got a lot of trips planned, a lot of insights, a lot of tours, a lot of information. So if you want to know how I'm travelling, where I'm going to, how I'm getting there, any tips, you can follow me on social media, ask me questions as and when I'm live going there, and you can get to see the content that I put out on the back end of that as well, if that interests you. So, but tonight, this pretty much ends the video from tonight at the Holiday Inn Express at Strathclyde Park. I will just scan through that menu like I mentioned, and that's really it. So thank you all for watching. I hope this video is useful for you, and yeah, I'll see you all soon. So till next time, thank you.